Hey guys, Brent Ferguson here from Wynnum Marine, out here on Moreton Bay in a Cruisecraft 360S. Just want to talk about the Garmin electronics. Now, doesn't matter what model you go for, they're going to come standard with electronics package, and the transducer that comes in that package is plank mounted. Now, if you've never seen a plank mounted transducer, I'll put a little shot up on the screen. But what it does, it puts the transducer very deep in the water, so the reading at speed is phenomenal. Now, as you can see, we're just at a nice idling pace here. Now, I'll slowly increase the speed of the boat, and that bottom reading is still going to be phenomenal. So let's have a look, guys. So we're doing about 20 knots, and as you can see, that reading at speed, perfect bottom. That's really good if you're hunting for fish or just looking at bottom, you're going to be able to find that nice and easily. Now, a couple of other things that come standard are GPS antenna. Now, they're also going to link your CL5 through to the screen as well, and you're also going to get a G3 Vision map card. So that's, if you wanted to put relief shading, you're going to be able to download it. You don't have to buy it later on. If there's anything else on one of these boats you'd like to know about, please give me a call, 0400 755 136, or you can get me on the email at brent@wynnummarine.com.au. Cheers guys.